Long ago there was a small village. It had a beautiful stream that followed by a meadow. One day two women came there to fill their pots with water. While filling the pots, they started talking. They became so engrossed in talking that they went home without their pots. One pot was made of brass and the other of clay. As the tide rose, the flower carried off both the pots. Downstream, the clay god struggled to keep itself away from the brass pot. Seeing this, the brass pot asked, "Why are you staying away from me? I will not strike you." The clay pot replied, "I know if I come too close to you, I will break. You are too tough, and I am so weak. Whether I hit you and you hit me, I will be the one to suffer." The brass pot could only nod in agreement.